COVID-19 pandemic has throttled the world economy in the last few months, putting a virtual halt to almost all economic activities. Countries world over, including India, resorted to harsh extraordinary measures of complete lockdown to flatten the coronavirus curve. However, India Inc., notwithstanding the lockdown, has been cohesively trudging the recovery path with its fleet of corporate professionals. The ICSI, as an extended arm of the regulatory authorities, has also shown its refutable support by organizing online courses, webinars, online workshops and online classroom teaching throughout the lockdown period for its members and students.
The organizational structure, the professionalism in your organization, that very clearly shows how your organization is also gaining grounds, not only at the national level, but also at the international level. भारतीय कंपनी सचिव संस्थान के अलावा भारत की ये $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी बनने का जो सपना है वो अधूरा है, क्योंकि भारत में जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म कामकाज में और चाहिए, और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कहा था कि कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज ड्राइव द कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर ऑफ द कंट्री।
आईसीएस का ये सफर बहुत गौरवशाली रहा है। आईसीएसआई ने सदैव उच्चतम स्तर की गुणवत्ता को बनाए रखा है, अपनी नैतिक कार्य प्रणाली को बढ़ाया है, नैतिक कार्य प्रणाली को प्रतिष्ठित किया है और समाज में अपनी प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ाई है। आपके साथ काम करने वाले प्रतिभाशाली कौशल युक्त युवाओं को आपने प्रोत्साहित किया है और उन बच्चों के अंदर भी, विद्यार्थियों के अंदर भी इस संस्थान के जुड़ने का एक अच्छा अवसर मौका दिया है।
Your role is very important. Support MSME, give them proper guidance. India's future is very bright. I am confident that with the all support of all the stakeholders like you, we will definitely going to achieve the goal of Prime Minister to make Indian economy of $5 trillion and at the same time 100 lakh crores of infrastructure.
Company secretaries are very key to our economic progress, our economic activities. They are managing the critical affairs of our country. So let us talk to them a bit and make them fitter. So I'm very happy that today with Gagan Narang and we all have joined together. The more fit you are, the better output you can give in any field. If you give speech, if you make some kind of competition as a challenge, I think if you are physically fit, it really helps.
The ICSI, as always, has once again demonstrated its preparedness in expanding the e-learning methodology and took various initiatives for its stakeholders during the pandemic.
ये बहुत अच्छा है कि चुनौती को अवसर में बदलो। विषय यही है, चुनौती इतनी बड़ी हो सकती है, माना कि चुनौती बड़ी है, लेकिन इसको अवसर में बदलने की ये घड़ी है, ये अवसर में बदलने की, जिसको अवसर में बदलना ही बदलना है, और निश्चित रूप से भारत आगे बढ़ेगा जी।
माइंड बॉडी सोल, मैंने कहा था 3H, हेड हार्ट एंड हैंड्स। अगर हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते रहे, हेड को अपने आप को नॉलेजेबल करें, हार्ट में मानवता लाए, और तीसरा ये कि हम अपनी स्किल डेवलपमेंट करें।
So the company secretaries play a very key role in providing human face to the legally created corporate entity. And I've seen therefore that rather than just confining yourself to a very limited role of looking at your responsibilities as secretaries, you have gone much beyond it.
In this technology-driven era, the digitally groomed members of ICSI, the company secretary professionals, are making honest efforts and providing every assistance to corporates in their operations to hold high the mast of good corporate governance system, a key opponent of our nation-building matrix.
We have always found ICSI as a very valuable partner, and they have collaborated with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs in all its endeavors. And as the chief instrument for, compliances, I think you have a huge role and you actually play a statutory role. So you are in a way like a lawyer is treated as a court officer while arguing in a court.
We felt that how CRC would become functional now without the help of company secretaries, it's not possible to make it functional. After all, they are the first persons who would be processing the forms. And to our satisfaction, some of the company secretaries volunteered that they are ready to work during the lockdown period in these difficult times.
Your profession, your members play such an important role in making sure that all companies, all business is as diligent as needs to be as far as environment is concerned.
कई बार आपके ऊपर का जो प्रोप्राइटर्स है या एंटरप्रेन्योर है वो कुछ बोलते हैं, नीचे वाले कुछ बोलते हैं, आप बोलते हो, आप अपना सही सुझाव देते हो, नहीं जी ये नहीं हो सकता, ये लॉ के अनुकूल ये नहीं हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, इतना ही हम कर सकते हैं, ये आप उनको एडवाइस देके पटरी पर लगाते हो गाड़ी।
देश को, धर्म को, कर्म को ऐसे आगे रख करके, सत्य को आगे रख करके काम करें, और आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। ICSI के सभी मेंबर्स को मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
The unstinted, honest efforts of the company secretary professionals in preparation of filings and compliances under the company law within the extended time period provided by the MCA helped in registration of companies even during the lockdown. While the priority throughout has been of battling the pandemic through coordinated and concerted efforts, ICSI has always been committed towards serving its stakeholders and supporting the Government of India in all its endeavours of building a stronger and self-reliant India.
The modern day scenario called for greater outreach of governance along with the government. The need of the hour is to imbibe the best practices of functioning in all these functionaries. Each of these needs to be made self-sustainable when it comes to the bigger pillar of corporate governance. And it is then and now when we can achieve the bigger roles of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the land of Ram Raj. It is then that we can be the global ideal.